Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get your bank statement from the Sparkas app. First, open the Sparkas app on your phone and log in to your account. Next, tap the notification bell icon at the top and go to your inbox. Here, look for your Kontoauszug, which means bank statement in German. If you don't see it right away, you can filter your inbox to show only bank statements. Once you find the statement you need, tap the three dots icon beside it. From there, choose Download or Herunterladen to save it. You can also open it directly in the app to view or print it later. And that's it. That's how you can easily get your Sparkas bank statement right from the app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.